Well, look, I'm done. Well, I wanted to show you that I have approximately 15 centimeters. So if I put it here, like where it starts, plus a little bit more. So I have 45 rows, these small rows, but still 45. Well, this is it, so we can stop here. And now we need to work with the following 11 loops. Okay, so we need to adjust it here. Now we cut this here and here, we don't need it anymore. So I leave a rather short tail, I don't need it long. I will then have to hide it. Well, now we need to place these loops somewhere else. Okay, but I decided to take a piece of yarn of different color, whatever. I need a small piece of it, and now I will just place all the loops here. Oh, where's my focus? I will just place them right this way, like that. Here we are, we're done. Oops. So, and there safely, they will be waiting for them to join our party. So now I need the next 11. So how do I do that? Well, I can actually start here because the opening is here. So I take my needle and I place 11 loops on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I will check because I need precisely 11 left. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. Yes. Now I close the pin here like that, and I will be working with this part. Now I need 45 rows again. So what do? I take my yarn and I simply start knitting like that. So you take your yarn on your index finger. The first, as you remember, we do nothing, and here we need purl. That's why I purl, leave a small tail like that, and you continue. All right, so what you need to do, you need to move on with the same pattern. Well, I started the other side, and that's why my loops are a bit twisted, but that's not a big deal. They will go straight just after the first row. Oops. Now purl, and the last one is also purl, even though it is a knit. Turn my work, and I continue. The first one, nothing, and this is it. I continue. Well, I was thinking of making the middle section of some other color. I'm still considering it. I don't know which will be better. Maybe I don't know. I was thinking of some maybe milky color to add here in the center. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's better to leave it one color. Maybe it's better to add something. I'm still considering it. But meanwhile, let's be making this section here. So anyway, you need it absolutely symmetrical. You need just the same number of rows as in the first section. So I have 45 small rows. You see how much you need to make 15 centimeters. So you continue and I meet you right here after I'm done here and to show you the middle section. Alright, so we are done with 2 pieces, look. And now it's time for this middle one, and let's go. Now, as before, we need to put the loops on the needle. Whoa, wait, that was fast. Alright, so I move all of them to the needle, and I will be ready to move on. The same strategy here. All you need to do is to make the same number of rows. Well, I take my yarn and I start. As you remember, the first one is left. So let's go. The first one, and now the second one is knit. So I knit and I purl like this. So in my case, the rows are slightly twisted. That's why I need to do it in a slightly different way, like that. See? So if I started back there, it would be just normal, but now it's like that. So you can start the other side, and in that case, everything will be as you're used to. And the last one is also purl. Now I turn my work and I continue. Don't forget to count the rows. Don't forget to make it fully symmetrical, identical, I would say. So we continue. And now, after you're done with this part, I meet you there when you already have 3 parts ready to work with. So this last one, in my case, I need to purl it as well. So here we are. Now you continue the same. So you need this third part here, and I will show you what to do next.